Hello everyone, so I'm going to teach you how to cast a chart on astro.com, which I think is probably one of the best free resources out there for calculating charts. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go up here to the top right corner where it says My Astro and click on that. And we're going to go to Login. And just for today's purposes, we're going to do a guest user horoscope. So you're going to click right down here where it says create a horoscope immediately as a guest user. Going to accept that. And here's our sample chart. So I'm just going to make this up. Moon, planet, beam. I'm going to say her birthday is the 13th of April, 1989, and you're going to put the birth time, but if you don't know the birth time, you can still get some good information, and you'd want to do unknown in that case. But for our sample chart, we're going to give her a birth time of 10:12 a.m. We'll say that she's born in Canada. Let's say in Toronto, Canada. And you see down here, it gives you that option. You're going to click that to fill the state and country and city. And then you're going to click continue. Here we're going to get an option of chart drawing ascendant or extended chart selection. We want to go to extended chart selection because this is the area that's going to give you the best teaching chart to choose from. So click on that. Over here where it says chart type and natal chart wheel, we're going to click the arrow there, and we're going to actually keep natal chart wheel. That's what we want. Then chart drawing style, we want to use the Anglo with Zodiac, which is kind of midway down our options. So Anglo with Zodiac, we're going to choose that. And then over here on the right, where it says click here to show the chart, we're going to click that. And if we scroll down, you will see the chart here with all the glyphs and the numbers or degrees of each planet in the signs. And also you'll see the house cusp up here. So this is going to be the 10th house cusp at 3 degrees of Pisces. The first house cusp is over here at 29 degrees of Gemini, and so on around the wheel. So I hope that's helpful for you in calculating your astrological charts.